Eh bien, salut à tous les amis, c'est YouTuber Gaming. Aujourd'hui, on se retrouve sur une nouvelle vidéo. On se retrouve sur un, un nouveau let's play. Et oui, un nouveau let's play. Vous aimez ça? Vous aimez quand je commence les jeux et que je les finis jamais, non? Allez, c'est parti. On est sur un jeu fraîchement sorti récemment qui s'appelle Dispatch. C'est un jeu un peu comme Life is Strange, un peu à la choix, un peu narratif, etc. Des choix à faire euh, et des fins alternatives. Et voilà. C'est un jeu qui parle de super-héros. Je me suis pas trop fait spoil, mais j'ai vu des images pour voir comment c'était le jeu et il a l'air excellent. J'adore. Vous savez, vous savez très bien que j'adore les jeux un peu comme ça, un peu jeu à choix multiples. En plus, c'est fait par les développeurs qui ont fait d'autres jeux narratifs que j'ai adoré comme Minecraft Story Mode que je n'ai pas fait en vidéo parce que j'étais un peu jeune quand c'était sorti à l'époque. Mais ils ont fait ce jeu, ils ont fait d'autres jeux aussi, ils ont fait The Walking Dead, ils ont fait Werewolf, plein de merde comme ça. Et là, c'est un tout nouveau jeu, tout frais, tout beau. Et bah c'est parti les gars, on va se reprendre un petit peu les bases du jeu à choix qu'on avait fait. On n'avait pas fait ensemble Beyond Two Souls, c'est vrai, mais on a fait un beau Detroit Become Human. Et là, franchement, les gars, c'est le moment quoi. C'est le moment, bref. Commençons. Commençons. Alors, dispatch. On va faire les petits paramètres avant tout. Ok, j'ai un peu la flemme. Juste le son. Est-ce que le son est bon là? On va dire que ça va. On va baisser juste un petit peu tout. Et un peu augmenter ça. Boost de dialogue. Ok. Ok, c'est parti, mon kiki. Ok. Perçu, alors, switch it, nom des personnages. Je sais pas si je mets le nom. Non, en vrai, pas besoin, hein. Mais j'ai bien envie de mettre un aperçu, mais pas trop. Ok. Comme ça, je pense que c'est bien. Activer pour remplacer la musique sous licence. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Il y a des. Je vais me faire strike, c'est ça? Activer pour censurer l'audio et les sous-titres de la profanité. Bon, regardez. Pour censurer les éléments visuels tels à l'unité. Ok, YouTube, ne me strikez pas, s'il vous plaît. Alors, on va faire ça vite. Interactif ou cinématique? Stagiaire. Interactif, c'est un jeu interactif, je sais pas. Fait partie de Ah, interactif, faites partie de l'action, affiche les actions à temps imparti. Détendez-vous, masque les actions à temps imparti. Oh, en mode. Ouais, non, on est là pour les QTE quand même, les gars. C'est ça des points forts des jeux narratifs, des jeux à choix multiples, c'est ça, genre, tous les jeux. Ok, ok, on est mis dedans, j'aime trop, j'aime trop. A game by Haddock Studio. Haddock Studio est un nouveau studio, je crois que c'est un studio un peu à part. Euh, Merci d'ailleurs Haddock pour votre confiance de
Obviously,
m'avoir.
I love him. He's my dad.
Hmm.
What does that mean? Just say what you want to say.
It's just when you add obviously, it feels a little less obvious. So, I'll ask again. How do you really feel about your father? It's as if maybe it's a little more
Oh,
complicated than you feel comfortable admitting, which is completely understandable.
bah, on va dire la vérité, hein.
Look, he's gone.
That's a bit of an understatement.
How so?
Well, he's more than gone because he's fucking dead. That's the most gone you can be.
Just so sensitive. Listen, if I didn't love him, we wouldn't be here, right?
We don't have to get into it.
Nope, we're in it now. Why would I be trying to find the man who killed him if I didn't love him? Why would I be doing any of this? Ugh, shit. My nose is bleeding. Thought I was getting emotionally snotty.
No, it's probably from when I kicked you in the face.
Yeah, thanks for reminding me. So, here's what's gonna happen. I'm gonna hang you off the side of this building, and you're gonna tell me where Shroud is, or I'm going to drop you to your death.
Come on, I thought we were having a breakthrough.
Hey, we did. You
Je vais quand même
know,
mettre
for
en
being a real
clavier
piece of
anglais.
shit, you're pretty easy to talk to, but the only breakthrough I need right now is the location of Shroud.
I'm not telling you shit, you fucking loser!
See, this is more like how I thought this would
I
be.
hope Shroud
Et je
kills
pensais on
you
en parlé
just
avec
like he
notre
killed your
psychologue et
father.
tout.
I hope he fucking spanks your little daddy issue bitch ass to death, you hear me?
Mais il est sérieux
Are we
lui.
outside?
Windy up here tonight, huh?
Why are we outside?
No telling where you'll
It
live.
smells like outside smells. Wait,
Hey,
wait!
I have neighbors. Use your inside voice and just tell me where
Il est où
Shroud
Spectre?
is.
Okay. Steel mill, Llewellyn Steelworks, okay? Fuck!
You sure about that?
Yes, please! That's all I know!
Stop screaming, god damn it.
Help! Help!
Hey, I will pull you up if you quiet the fuck down.
Oh le fils de pute. Oh laisse tomber, ça y est frère. Laisse tomber.
You want something to scream about?
On va être le méchant.
Something to scream about.
No!
Aïe. Ah ouais ça fait mal.
You piece of shit!
Hey, I ruined a perfectly good mattress to make sure you didn't die, okay? You're welcome.
Putain je voulais qu'il meure frère. Oh. Au-dessus? Au-dessus, incroyable. Oh c'est trop satisfaisant les gars. Ok. Ok on est un super héros. Et Spectre c'est celui qui a tué mon daron apparemment. D'après ce que j'ai compris, hein. Ouh. Wesh on est Megaman ou quoi là? Oh l'animation est tellement propre putain. Wesh mais on est Iron Man. Attends mais on est vraiment Iron Man, on est dans un... Ok. Il est à la liturgie, je sais pas quoi là. Ouais. Ok. Il a beaucoup d'hommes de main, je suppose. Wesh. On dirait moi. Enfin, le moi de tout à l'heure là. Oh. Ok, bah ouais, c'est bien moi. Hop. Ok, est-ce qu'il y a des QT avec des... avec mes lettres? Parce que moi, A c'est pas Q, enfin c'est... Bref. J'ai bien fait. Hop. Faut pas que je me trop... Ok, ça a des QT un peu bizarre parce qu'il faut que j'attende. Faut pas que je tape direct. Hop. Hop. Après ils sont pas vénères non plus, je pense que c'est pas le but du jeu. Ok, oh, WASD, bah super, c'est bien mes touches. Je vais voir si je peux quand même modifier mes touches là. Je ne pense pas. Allez, c'est parti. Donc on peut bouger avec les touches directionnelles. Très bien.
Time to finish this.
C'est utiliser le code. Ok, je peux faire avec les flèches, je peux aussi faire avec mes petits trucs. Merde.
Fuck me.
Ok, hop. Qu'est-ce qui se passe, frère? Télécharger.
Fuck yeah.
Ah, ok.
All right, next one.
Je dois réparer le chemin. Ah, ok. Oh. Ok, là il y en a un, ok à droite.
Just one more.
On est en train de hacker le système.
All right, got it.
Guider l'avatar vers le bas pour terminer l'info. Comme ça, l'avatar. Oh! Ok, ok, ok. Est-ce que je localise le méchant? Ok, oh là là, les plans. C'est si beau. Shibao. Oh.
Hey, can I get a copy of that video when we're through here? Cause it's over, Shroud. And it would be nice to watch that back at a different angle.
Oh no, it's over, Shroud!
Shroud.
All this build up, face to face with your father's killer, and you come in here with that lame shit?
Ugh, where the fuck
Putain.
is Shroud?
You'll be here in a bit. Oh hey! After our conversation, I asked him about
C'est
your
le mec que
dad.
j'ai truc tout à l'heure.
Fun little tidbit. He was very well hydrated. Turns out right after Shroud shot him in the chest, your dad pissed his pants. Bet you didn't know that, huh? So after that bullet tore through his insides, he still had enough time to know how absolutely fucked he was and just pissed himself like a little bitch. It was like so
Donner un coup de pied ou
much
écraser.
because your dad was wearing shorts, so
Hey.
he just kept
I get it.
Oh, j'aurais pu l'écraser avec mon... Ok. Ah oui. Bon, je vais laisser une chance de survivre quand même. Je pensais que j'allais le faire avec mon pied, mon vrai pied. Il fait la manière forte, le frère. Oh, le cul.
Starting to think I didn't need to waste a perfectly good mattress to break her fall.
perfect
Ouais.
good.
Ah ouais, mais il a tout...
I assume
ok.
that cum stain thing was already in the dumpster.
Can we just skip to the part where you reveal your bullshit superpower so we can fight for real?
Ça me dégoûte, frère. Il est immortel. Ah, c'est du caca, le frère. C'est du veau...
Cool.
Ah.
Got some kind of clever supervillain
Il
there.
pourrait, il est
You
tout
can
nu,
call me
frère.
toxic.
Bro, that works on so many levels for you.
Yeah, no shit. That's the point.
Ok, combat.
Shroud's augments are pretty good when normies like you use them. When you put them on someone who already has powers, fucking chef's kiss.
Hop. Putain, mais je me bats contre un mec qui a un zob à l'air, frère. Comment je suis censé me concentrer? Ah, fallait que je maintienne, ok. Wow. Ils l'ont pissé dessus. Wouhou! On dirait B-Max. Waouh, ok. Non, jure, j'ai raté. Allez, tabasse-le. Aïe. Oh, les petites traites de mort là.
Figures.
Hoi. Wesh, il a... C'est quoi ça? Wesh. Je suis contre la team des méchants. Des méchants super-héros et villains. J'en ai plusieurs, je pensais qu'il n'y en avait qu'un seul, frère. Wow. Wesh. C'est qui ce... Yabou. Mais à chaque fois que je vois son zob, ça me dégoûte. Ok. Ouh. Allez, là il peut pas. Oh, allez. Allez, fais-le. You're done, kid. Il continue de se battre, c'est con, hein. Ah, mais le slime, il me pète les couilles, frère. Il m'a mangé. Oh là là, même pas il meurt, mais c'est quoi ce jeu? Mon gars. Non, mon gars. Oh. me fais trappe. Fais un truc, kid. Reboot. Oh là là. Ils vont enlever mes pieds. Et oui, même leur clavier est en QWERTY, frère, vas-y. Oh, il y a des ninjas. Hop. Ok. Allez-y, shootez. Allez-y. Qu'est-ce qui va se passer? Oh, Shroud. Shroud. Insuffisant. Oi, 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 oi.
So, what do you got left on them shields? I said 40%, but Boss Man says you're down to 28. And he is not wrong about this thing.
Je suis vraiment 28. Putain.
Good news, buddy. Shroud says he just wants the Astral Pulse, which we all know isn't really yours anyway.
Cœur astral, le truc dans mon... Ok. Aïe aïe aïe. Si c'est ça qu'il veut, hein.
Calculate the damage per second hitting shields. Then tell me how many seconds I need to divert astral pulse energy to rocket boosters.
12.89 seconds of damage before critical.
Oh hey,
12.86.
Boss Man says if you're planning on diverting pulse power to the boosters, it won't work. This is a limited time offer, dude. What's up? You were so fucking talkative earlier. I'm just the messenger here. Said you're not calculating that shit stuck to your leg, dumbass.
Fuck it.
Hey, great! All go to plan. Now get out of there, babe. Come on!
Allez. Putain, je m'en sors. Magnifique. Wesh. Je pensais plus beau quand même, Spectre.
Yeah! Status.
Pulse status stable. Foreign device detected.
Oh. Oh. Je suis à Discord même dans ce jeu, frère. Bon, j'espère que...
Warning. Warning.
Ah ok, d'accord, ça a explosé. Wesh. Dispatch. Ça m'a l'air un peu comme The Boys, ce jeu, genre un peu les super-héros, mais la réalité des super-héros, t'as capté ou pas?
It was just over 4 months ago that images like this were recorded across the Southland. Videos flooded
Est-ce que je
social media
l'écrase?
and our newsroom, showing what many thought to be
Oh.
the death of Mecha Man. Again. For nearly 50 years, a Mecha Man has protected Los Angeles. Built by an ordinary civilian with no superpowers. This first suit was dubbed by some fans as Mecha Man Prime. 3 generations
Ok.
of pilot, their identities kept secret, have given everything to protect
Ah,
this
c'était ma
community,
famille.
including their lives. After the tragic passing of Prime, the next Mecha Man, known as Astral, teamed up with a
Astral.
star-studded superhero group known as the Brave Brigade, leading to an unprecedented period of peace in the Southland. After years of loyal service, tragedy struck again when Shroud, a former Brave Brigade member turned villain, killed the pilot of Mecha Man in cold
T'es
blood.
brave à exécuter le pilote.
But yet again, as hope was
Wow, il est
lost,
sérieux,
a
frère,
third
c'était un
generation
pote à
of
nous.
Mecha Man emerged. A Mecha Man for the modern era. A bulwark against organized crime in the greater Los Angeles area. Until today. Earlier today, Mecha Man broke his silence and addressed the media.
Mais je suis mort du coup. Ah non.
There's been a lot of speculation about my health and the state of the Mecha Man suit, and I'm here to put that speculation to rest. The suit has been damaged beyond my ability to repair, so I will be stepping back from superhero
Oh
work,
non.
effective immediately.
Does this mean you're finished?
Can you repair your
What's next for
suit?
Mecha Man?
Does this mean your career is
How
over?
badly were you hurt?
One at a time.
Je viens de répondre à la question.
Ashley Rhiness, San Pedro Daily, do you have anything to say to your fans? The public outpouring, the vigils, a lot of them were worried you wouldn't wake up.
I just want to
merci.
say thank you for the support. I hope to be worthy of it. Next question.
Chris Stratton, Torrance Tribune. Does this mean you're retiring as Mecha Man? Word on the street is you're donezo.
Finito Pipo.
Are you 100 years old? Why are you talking like that?
Je
Answer
te
the
jure.
question, buddy boy. Are you retiring? My readers need the skinny, and I aim to deliver. Let's get it on the record.
Look, I'm not retiring. Not yet,
Non, je
at
pense.
least.
Any idea what you can do without the Mecha Man suit?
Not yet. All right, just one more, please. I got to get back to just one more. Preferably someone
J'ai
from
juste
the century.
envie de rentrer chez moi.
Charles Kingsley,
Quelqu'un de notre
South
époque.
Bay Signal. So, Shroud kills your father, goes to jail 15 years, breaks out, and immediately dupes you into a trap where he destroys the Mecha Man suit and puts you in a coma for months.
I didn't hear a question.
C'est quoi la question?
Two-part. First, why didn't Shroud kill you? You haven't been conscious for months. It'd be easy money taking you out.
Okay, Shroud wanted the Astral Pulse and Mecha Man gone. He got both. I'm not sure I mattered much.
Right, you're unimportant. Which leads me to my next question.
Ouais, bon, t'es
Most
obligé de le
heroes
dire non plus, mais-
avenge their family. You did the opposite. You killed their legacy. How disappointed would your dad be if he were here right now? Your father, your grandfather. They must be rolling over in their graves.
On va rien dire, frère. Ça sert à rien de parler avec des gens comme ça, frère.
Up next, is Mecha Man a mecha quitter? Yeah, I mean, it seemed like it'd be better if he died than be a mecha coward, you know? What kind of example is he setting? Stay tuned to find out.
Ah ok. Devant moi au calme. Je regardais.
Hey, assholes.
Yeah, all you assholes. I was fucking watching that.
Hey, who you calling assholes, asshole?
I'll handle this idiot. Keep loading. We're out of here in 30. And who the fuck are you?
Yeah, you. Go fucking hobo ranger? Who the fuck are you?
Honnêtement, je sais plus trop. C'est vraiment des
Honestly,
phrases de
I'm not
connards
sure
dans des
anymore.
films.
Right, well that feels heavy. But I don't know you, so I don't give a fuck.
Whatever the case, I'm enough to deal with a pack of fucking Skittles idiots like you.
Ouh, j'avoue, il ressemble.
God damn it. Look, you're hurt. You're not thinking straight.
Coup de poing droit ou coup de
You don't want to fight someone who knows which hand every punch is coming from.
droite? Ok, les coups de pied, ok, ça va, les coups de pied, je gère. Ah, fais pas passer. Wesh, j'en mets des coups en vrai. Un des 4. Aïe. Oh, à la rescousse.
What the?
Super héros. In.
That guy I threw, he landed on the roof, right?
All good.
Phew. Hi, I'm Blonde Blazer.
Aurore.
I work over at Superhero Dispatch Network.
Hey, yeah, I know who you are. You're like famous.
Oh,
Okay.
I don't know about that. I'm just a corporate hero for hire. You're the real deal. You're the famous one.
Oui, bon.
Right, I don't think infamous is the same as famous, but
Oh god, your arm.
fuck. Oh, yeah. That's gross.
You look like some kind of mime DJ. Let me see it. I'll help you. Usually dislocates the other way.
It's fine. No, it's fine. Don't worry. I can do it myself.
Oh,
fuck yeah.
Ah ouais.
That's...
Ok. Ça fait mal, ça fait mal. Effectivement.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
One of them is on that roof.
You look like you could use a drink.
What makes you say that?
Moi, je dis pas non. Mais c'est quoi cette hype d'être des super-héros et de toujours se masquer, genre?
Yeah, well, you know what? They can taste the rainbow in jail.
Attends, mais même moi je suis masqué en fait.
Like
Ah, mais même à
different
l'envers.
colored dicks? Sorry.
I actually didn't know what I meant, but you know what? It should have been that.
I'm a little buzzed. I don't really make jokes like that. I think Vizzy's rubbing off on me.
Who?
Someone I work with. It's... yeah.
Wesh, la descente. Et... Wesh, tout ça.
That feels like a challenge.
Oh, no. It's fine. Don't worry about keeping up. Something to do with the powers. It takes a lot for me to feel anything.
Ah ouais, genre.
What a sad sentence.
Trop fort.
Hey, you should give yourself more credit. To do what you did for as long as you did. Especially without superpowers.
Not
C'est
true.
nul, je suis
What
un
do you
mec qui
call
sent
this?
rien, genre. Aïe.
I can fix that one for you too.
No thanks, I like this one.
Thank you.
Beer.
So,
Gênant.
how did you afford all that? You must have spent hundreds of thousands.
Millions. So you'll understand when the check comes.
You're serious? Millions.
Yeah, I basically burned through my entire inheritance keeping it going. The last couple of years have just been duct tape and sheer determination.
Putain, c'est...
Why did you do it?
Jure la vie en fait.
What?
C'est hard.
Sacrifice
C'est hard.
everything to be a superhero to the point of financial...
Ruin?
I was gonna say hardship, but ruin was the first word that came to mind, yeah. You must be completely broke at this point.
I don't know. I guess I just like helping people.
So, are you drunk yet or what?
Yeah, I should probably be switching to water.
Good, because I was hoping, after some drinks to loosen you up, I could learn a little more about you. And, if all that went well, present you with a proposition.
A proposition?
Yeah,
Quelle
I'm
proposition?
just trying to figure out if this is a fit or not, you know? Then it's just a matter of picking the right moment.
Well, propositions late at night in a bar can go any number of ways.
That's actually
Wesh.
water.
God, this is like pure alcohol.
It's not like alcohol, it is alcohol. I know because you spit it directly into my open mouth.
Ah,
That's
dégueu.
water. That, see? How it has ice in it?
You drink hard liquor from a pint glass?
Actually, I usually just drink it straight from the bottle, but I thought that would be embarrassing.
Wesh, mais c'est un vrai alcoolo en fait, frère.
I'm gonna go clean up.
I'm so sorry.
No, it's fine. I will be right back.
Waouh, non frère. Non.
What are you
Non,
doing?
non, 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 non. No, 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 bro. It's more than more than...
Hey, I'm talking to you, bitch.
Wesh, y'a Thanos derrière. Ah.
Alright, just so you know, I only turned around because someone yelled, not because I'm a bitch or anything.
Don't you watch the news? This is a superhero bar.
Oh, wow, are you a superhero? That's so cool.
Je suis
Is this
tellement
your
nonchalant.
power? You're like,
Wow.
tell people obvious shit guy?
Well, you're really going to act like you don't remember me.
T'es qui?
Wait, it's coming back to me. Hold on. Yeah, it's coming back to me. Oh, wait. I know it.
Je vais pas répondre.
You
Ah,
are
ok.
sunglasses indoors at night guy. Your superpower is that you're able to let everyone know in the room that you're a douchebag, because you should literally never do that unless you're at the final table of the World Series of Poker, but even then, if you win, Ah, you're still a fucking loser.
Tout ça, tout ça.
Shit. That is.
Oh le nain à droite.
Sorry, I choked on my spit.
Enlève tes lunettes, je préfère.
Like a bitch. I control the fire.
The fire?
And the flame. And my skin does not burn. I am Flambe. And you...
Wait, oh shit, I do remember you. You're that shitty villain I busted up.
Not anymore, mecha dick. As I literally just said. I am Flambe, a real superhero.
Flambe.
And you are not Mecha Man anymore. So, you need to get the fuck out of here. Now, we can do this the easy way. Fuck.
Oh, je lui ai jeté de l'eau.
There, easy way.
Je pensais que je devais la boire.
Now, right?
I've been waiting a long time for this.
Wesh, tout ça.
Holy shit!
C'est cassé la dent, frère. Ah oui.
Your mouth. It's whistling. Come on, we should get you to a hospital.
No, Coop! Fucking guy needs a dentist. I've got it on ice. Should be able to reattach it.
Teeth don't work that way. You're thinking of fingers and dicks. You know what? Give it a shot.
Hey, Mecha Dick, get the fuck out of here.
J'ai fait quoi?
I
Il
get
s'est
it.
battu, il
You
s'est
just
battu tout
tell
seul.
Blazer I'm outside.
Ow!
Relax. I'm leaving.
Tout le monde a des pouvoirs, mon gars. Like super.
Hey, I couldn't find you.
It's cool. I was just admiring the art on this dumpster.
Putain, mais ça veut dire si j'avais choisi l'alcool,
Tell
j'aurais
why
brûlé le
anyone
truc.
would put those words together. Why are you holding drinks?
Nightcap?
You're in trouble.
Actually, according to the bartender, that's exactly what you are. What happened in there? I walk out and the bartender's pissed. The whole energy is awkward. And I almost rolled the heck out of my ankle on this slippery floor.
Un gars trébuché.
Yeah, it's crazy. This guy, he just fell down.
A guy fell down.
Yeah? Does that not sound convincing enough?
Hold these. I know a place.
You stung.
It's a little out there. Easier if we fly.
Wesh. Mais c'est... Ok, bah, soit. Ça va trop bien de voler, frère. Wesh, mais le jeu il est trop beau ça, Merlin. C'est toujours cette scène, tu vois, dans les jeux. Tu vois le monde, même dans les films de super-héros en fait. Tu as toujours des trucs où tu voles là. Voilà, c'est juste mon commentaire. Mélange chien, ok, chien les deux verres et on vole au calme. On a Hollywood, ok. Ok, on a Hollywood, ok. On a un petit cadre
I actually thought you were
spatio-temporel de
taking
la mort.
us to sit on it.
Oh yeah, that would have been cool. Oh no, yeah, this is better because you can see it, and it looks like there's a couple up there already. So
I really appreciate you coming to my rescue back there. I still think I could have handled it, but all I'm trying to say is thanks. I should have just said that, but yeah, I'm still talking.
don't you worry about it, Robert Robertson.
How do you know my name?
Oops.
What's going on?
Okay, I'll tell you, but only after you tell me how you ended up with a name like that.
Oh, you mean a name like Robert Robertson III?
The third? 3 times this happened?
There was Grandpa Bobby, then my dad, who I called Dad, but everyone else called Robbie. and then
Robbie?
me, Robert.
Bobby and
'Cause
Robert.
I wanted to be taken seriously,
Family tradition.
in more ways than one. Gramps was the first Mecha Man. He died in the suit before I was born. Dad was killed fighting Shroud. That's when I took over. There was a little inheritance and the life insurance money.
I'm so sorry. I didn't
Je suis vraiment...
realize.
Mais putain, mais...
Just your run-of-the-mill, sad superhero origin story. The family tradition, if there is one, is dying in that suit. Which I guess I don't have to worry about anymore.
Bah oui, vu qu'il est casé, en fait...
I'm not quite drunk enough to share my origin story just yet. But remind me to tell you someday.
Definitely.
Oh.
We can work with this.
L'embrasser, ne rien faire. Bro! Bro, we going in, bro! Oh.
No, this... I'm sorry if I gave the wrong impression.
Quoi?
Oh no.
It's my fault.
I'm so sorry. I totally misread that.
You didn't. I mean, you did. But I definitely...
Oh
The
merde.
way I went about things tonight, I'm sorry. It was all a little loose, a little unprofessional.
Unprofessional? I'm not sure that that applies to this.
I'm
But
actually here on official business. How I know your name, the proposition I mentioned right before you spit in my mouth.
still mortified about that.
It's fine. Do you remember a superhero named Trackstar?
Remember, of course. He's like family. That I haven't talked to in a while, but what about him?
I work with him at SDN. He recommended you. Mentioned that he worked with your father.
Yeah, he was the youngest member of the Brave Brigade, so he was kind of my babysitter for a while. How's he doing?
He's doing great. He's why I'm here. Robert, I would like to make you an offer. In exchange for dispatching and mentoring some of our rookie heroes, SDN can make you Mecha Man again. But this time with all the
SDN,
resources that a company as big as ours has at their disposal. No more paying out of pocket for repairs. Support staff, the whole shebang.
C'était un entretien, en effet, c'était pas pro.
So, this was like some sort of interview?
I was worried that you might be
Crazy?
unstable, damaged, unfit, batshit, dipshit, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. It's a big investment. It'll take considerable time and money to get the suit repaired and the missing pieces replaced. Plenty of time to learn how to dispatch and level up some of the heroes on our roster. Your experience, your work ethic, your perspective, it's all invaluable. Share it, Robert. You have a lot left to give.
Wait,
Oui,
so
les
you
zéro
want me to
ambition.
sit in an office and dispatch heroes?
That's the idea. But just until we get your suit put back together.
What's dispatching even mean?
Oh, right. I was supposed to test
Dispatching,
you at the bar.
okay.
Here,
The drunk people shouldn't be throwing things at drunk people.
noted.
Am I waiting or are you waiting? What's going
It
on?
was supposed to open up when I threw it to you. Okay, there. Pop it on. This is part of the assessment. And don't move too much in there. You're sitting on the edge of the billboard.
Ok, des lunettes. Wow!
Greetings and welcome to this training
Okay.
simulation. We may be superheroes, but we're nothing without
c'est grâce à lui qu'on
SDN's
sauve
real
des vies.
hero, the Dispatcher. So, Dispatcher, where do we start?
Ok, 22 degrés il fait.
Well, it appears we've got our first call from a subscriber.
I saw
Okay.
some scary, suspicious men last night leaving the old movie theater.
You'll receive requirements to help you determine which heroes to send.
Ah. Attaquer la planque ultra bien gardée des
Such an
diables.
array
What?
of brave
Se
heroes
défendre
to
contre les
choose
ennemis
from.
armés. Quel
How could you
panel,
possibly pick just one?
quel panel de héros.
This graph will show you what a hero
Ce
does
graphique
well
illustre les forces et les
and
faiblesses de
not
chaque
so well.
héros. Ouh là 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 là. Ok. Vigueur, intelligence, combat, charisme, mobilité.
A hero with a knack for vigor and
Il
combat
doit être
looks
vigoureux,
right for the job.
vigoureux et bagarreur.
That sounds like me, Phenomaman. Now that at least one hero is being dispatched, It's time to get to work. A sound approach.
Pom pom, beau parleur, Colossea, Eliki. Mais c'est quoi, c'est un papier?
I will now return to SDN.
Ok. SDN!
When a hero returns to SDN, they'll need some much-needed R&R. That stands for rest and relaxation.
Ok. Qui se
Don't
repose.
forget to review your hero's performance. They won't be sent out again until you do. On SDN's state-of-the-art graph, we can see an analysis of what skills the call required.
Les graphiques ultramodernes du USH permettent d'analyser les compétences requises sur cette mission.
Let's see how well I did after responding to that caller's, well, call.
Ok.
There's no such thing as a perfect fit.
Profil idéal n'existe pas. Réfléchissez et exploitez au mieux les atouts de votre équipe.
The more that my skills align with the needs of the job, the
Plus
more
mes compétences
likely I am
correspondent
to
aux attentes de
succeed.
la mission, plus j'ai de chances de réussir. 80%.
Organized
Donc l'idée.
criminals, often led
Souvent
by
menés
figurehead
les gangs sur des fléaux dans le sud
supervillains,
de la
are the
Californie.
scourge
Ok,
of
on voit,
Southern
ok.
California. We work tirelessly to root them out.
Un autre.
We've got a potential villain hideout on the college campus.
Ok.
Sometimes the solution is brains, not brawn. SDN's diverse array of heroes can solve any problem.
Enquêter sur le plan des méchants qui auraient été découverts, interpréter les indices et démasquer le mystérieux criminel. Ok, bah, je suppose à faux de l'intelligence, on vient de dire. Ouh, savante et intelligente.
Let's make history.
Je vais en envoyer deux? Ouh là là! J'en envoie un seul, non?
Knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power. Ok. Ouais, que du cerveau en fait. Waouh! Wesh! Non, j'ai raté.
Poor marks on that one.
À faire claquer. Mais vite! Mais c'était la plus grande que j'avais. J'aurais dû mettre une autre. Le musée a besoin d'un intervenant pour son expo. Inaugurer l'expo sur les super-héros devant un public enthousiaste. Partager son expérience unique en tant que héros. Charisme. Il faut du charisme pour inaugurer, non? Il a l'air bien charismatique. Je vais en mettre deux. Ok. Je vais mettre deux comme ça, je suis sûr.
One of your heroes needs you.
Perturbation.
As their leader, your heroes will look to you. Make choices and follow where they lead.
Un discours préparé par le SDH n'arrive pas à captiver l'audience, on va devoir improviser. Faire des pas de danse. Faire un culture... Non, faire des blagues. Je suppose que chaque truc c'est un truc. Culture générale. Blague. Blague. Blague c'est bien charisme, non? On est pas mal en charisme. Ah ouais, j'étais large de baiser.
Need the right skill. Remember each of your hero's strengths and weaknesses.
Putain, mais ça me fait... Je viens de sortir d'un contrôle de marketing, s'il te plaît. De PGE, mon gars, ça parle que de force et de faiblesse, de menaces, de ta mère.
Folks, call me Justice.
Bon, bref. Maintenant, je dois faire des sauts de super-héros dans... Ouh là 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 là. Ouh là 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 là, les gars, calmez-vous. El Diablo? El Diablo.
Speaking of traffic and going places, does SDN offer paid time off to take vacations?
Of course. PTO accrues at a regular rate over time. Use it however you like, as long as you discuss your schedule
Les accabler en
with
les
your
attaquant
manager
sans
well
relâche
in
et
advance.
attaquer. Ok, j'ai de la force.
PTO?
Together we can do it together.
Et l'équipe brume.
Exactly right.
Et là, j'en ai 3 qui arrivent là.
Easy go.
A wise choice.
Pris d'assaut.
The diabolical supervillain El Diablo is attacking Los Angeles General.
Los Angeles.
Oh no. It's
Protéger
one
et
of my arch
arrêter.
nemesises, El Diablo. That means the Diablo in Spanish.
Ah,
He
merci.
must have been using the convoy ambush as a distraction.
And to attack
Arrêter.
helpless hospital people. That craven bastard.
L'hôpital.
Speaking of hospitals, did you know SDN offers a robust benefits package for all full-time
Oh,
employees?
c'est vrai qu'en Amérique ils ont pas
That's
ça eux.
phenomenal.
On a la carte vitale pour ça.
Balance the scales.
Je sais pas, il faut quoi là? Il faut de la vigueur? Protéger, vigueur non? On va mettre ces deux là.
Oh, I see you have a keen mind.
J'ai pas beaucoup de trucs.
There's a giant monster attacking downtown! Save us, SDN!
Détourner l'attention, encaisser les dégâts de la bête jusqu'à... Mais attends, mais j'ai que ça là. Oh, je suis tellement foutu. Ah, je peux attendre. Wesh, mais il y en a trop. Est-ce qu'ils ont le temps de se reposer après ou pas?
Gladly.
Bon, au moins là, je suis sûr qu'il passera pas. Mais...
I'll see you soon.
Faut que je détourne l'attention. Détourner l'attention, c'est quoi? Charisme? Juste mettre ces deux là. Hein. Et encaisser vigueur, parce que là j'ai plein de trucs, là. Ok, on a fini lui.
SDN values work-life balance. When the bell rings,
69%.
your shift will end very soon.
Ok, ça passe. Au SDN, on vous laisse souffler, la sonnerie indique que c'est bientôt l'heure de la pause. Ah, ok. Bientôt l'heure de la pause. Ok, j'ai réussi, trop cool. Ah, ils ont besoin de mon aide.
Sometimes a hero can use their talents to tip the scales.
Un héros peut utiliser
They
ses talents
are
pour débloquer des
superheroes
situations.
after all.
Ah, j'ai pas Phénoméman ou Colossea. Ok. Les sbires s'en prennent, faut filtrer derrière eux, identifier la sortie la plus sûre. S'en prennent aux braves gens. Faut filtrer à travers eux, je sais pas. C'est ça non? Équilibrium. Ça marche.
Rescuing civilians and taking down villains. Just another
Voilà,
Tuesday
routine.
for me.
Ok. Ouais, mais il y a trop, frère. Ok. Faut que je
I
parle de
need
lui.
help getting to my doctor's appointment.
C'est quoi cet incident mineur? Bah, je vois ça, frère. Se dépêcher et aider la dame.
No sooner said than done.
Bah, vas-y, pom pom girl. Hein, je sais
Loud
pas
and clear. Moving out.
Mais j'ai plus de personnes en fait, regardez. Ils sont tous au repos, mais je suis foutu. Ok, elle a fini. Ils ont réussi ou pas? Il fallait du skill et du... Oh, mais wesh 87%, 87%, ça finit, frère. Mais
What can I
parfait.
say? A lot, actually.
Oh là là, lui, il est foutu. Attends, le temps qu'ils arrivent, faut que j'envoie maintenant,
No,
non?
help us! We're being held hostage! Send help, please!
You can
Convaincre.
find suggestions on how to handle hostage situations on page 234 of SDN's
Otage.
Guide to Dispatching.
Mais frère, mais... J'ai que une personne de dispo là. Je dois attendre là qu'ils finissent de se reposer. Oui, chibal. Se convaincre. Ok, pour convaincre, je suppose il faut du charisme. Qui a du charisme ici? Putain, ils ont pas de charisme. De la force. Ok, on a de la force. Et on va mettre qui d'autre? Attends. Bon, je regarde ça.
Diablo's goons are running scared. We're right on the heels of his sidekick.
Mais
El
4
Diablito.
What the fuck? Ok, on va faire ça en premier. Ça. Et... Puis quoi d'autre? Convaincre. Les forcer à se rendre. Convaincre. Les civils sont rendus en otage. Ouais, les deux sont bien, je vais prendre ça, je pense.
Everything in moderation.
Il faut que j'attende les deux en repos pour que j'envoie plein de gens là. À la traque del Diablito. Putain, mais c'est foutu. Ah, j'ai 3 personnes. Ouais. Je carry, non?
Intellectually stimulating.
Go. Les forcer à se rendre. 90%. Oh, je suis tellement large. Putain, c'est original comme truc. Pour truc. Aider. Voilà, fallait juste être aidé. Hein. Oh, ok. Ouais, ça coupe bien au milieu, c'est méchant. Hein.
SDN solves all problems, big and small. We never ignore the people of the city, particularly the elderly.
Speaking of retirement, quick question. Phenomeman, does SDN offer 401k matching?
Yes, but there are limitations. Your HR representative will have all the details.
Ouh là là. 97%, mais je suis tellement large. Ouïouïouï. Ouïouïouï. Ok, résister, donc résister c'est ça. Poursuivre. Et vaincre, ok.
Our shift is done now. It
C'est l'heure
is
du
time
petit déj.
for lunch.
We couldn't have done it
Du
without you,
déj.
dispatcher.
Too true.
Dispatcher. Ok, donc le dispatcher, je suis le petit, je suis le mec qui gère quoi. Je suis le petit manager quoi.
Great idea. Thank you again, dispatcher. I hope to be seeing a lot more of you. Goodbye for now, and don't forget to be phenomenal.
Did he just say phenomenal?
Phenomenal.
Well,
Ah,
looks like
ok,
I'm
de retour.
great at this, so that's gonna be bad for your negotiating position. Expect a lengthy.
Wesh. Les gens ils sont fatigués. Hein.
Did I drool on you?
I don't think so.
Well, you see why we thought of... Well, why Trackstar thought of you.
It makes sense.
Ah ouais,
Yeah.
ouais. Non mais elle fait trop frère, elle fait trop là.
Meet me at the SDN offices tomorrow. I'm not done saving you yet.
Du coup j'ai un job. Ça mon travail, je suis dispatcher.
Is there a ladder or?
Se faire embaucher. Let's go, let's go. J'aurais pu ne pas me faire embaucher. Ok. Intéressant. Enter password. J'ai un chien. Je viens de remarquer, j'ai un chien. Beef. Lui donner des céréales. T'as été sage? Est-ce que t'as été sage?
Were you a good boy?
The folks at SDN are the best in the business.
Wesh. Mon PK il... Ok.
I met a nice lady. She wants to help us out.
Waouh. Stylé de fou. C'est la fin du jeu. Merci à tous d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. N'hésitez pas à liker. Si vous avez beaucoup aimé ce jeu, faites-moi savoir. Ce jeu il est incroyable. Voilà. Petite conclusion. Vraiment j'ai adoré l'histoire, l'animation, les mystères, les scènes de combat. C'était magique. Franchement je mettrai une note, je pense, de 9,5 sur 10. Parce que vraiment on a touché quelque chose de très fort. C'était très fort ce qu'on a vu, ce qu'on a ressenti, ce qu'on a joué. C'était excellent et franchement bah merci beaucoup le studio Haddock pour m'avoir fait confiance, de m'avoir donné ce jeu, parce que waouh, je pensais pas vivre une expérience pareille, vous voyez. Et j'aimerais aussi vous remercier vous d'avoir regardé cette vidéo et d'être finalement 49% des joueurs et vous avez arrosé Flambeau avec de l'eau. 51 ils l'ont mis avec la colle, mais c'est des malades. Ok. Oh 54% des... Oh là là mais 54 seulement. Mais wesh. Comment 50? Ok peut-être j'avoue il n'y avait pas les signes. Ok je suis peut-être con un peu. Ouais désolé je voyais pas bien. 42% des joueurs et vous avez laissé tomber le sbire. Votre taux de succès pendant le combat contre Toxic était de 95%, comme 30% des joueurs. C'est vrai que je me suis raté à quelques mois, je suis un peu le seul. 30% des joueurs et vous avez écourté la conférence de presse. 40% des joueurs et vous avez sûrement nommé 98% des joueurs ont cartonné au tutoriel. Ok, prochain épisode. Oh, ok. Non, c'est par épisode. Excusez-moi, j'ai cru qu'on avait fini le jeu. Oh, my bad. Bon, voilà. Petite vidéo pour voilà, mettre ce jeu en avant. J'espère que vous avez plu. N'hésitez pas à vous abonner, n'hésitez pas à liker, mettre en commentaire si vous voulez voir le prochain épisode bientôt. Et on se dit bah à la prochaine, les gars. En vrai de vrai. En vrai de vrai. Allez, c'est pas. Oh, bonus.